Hello everyone, today we will learn a grammar lesson. We will start with subject pronouns and then we will learn about present simple or simple present. With the present simple we will highlight three aspects: verb to do, forms, and usage. Without further more to do, let's start with subject pronouns. Here we go. Okay, so let's start with the subject pronouns. We have two forms. We have singular and we have plural, and also we have three types. We have first person, second person, and third person. All of these types used with singular and plural. We have I as a singular when I talk about myself. We when I include myself with others. This is plural. Second person, we have you when I talk to one, and you when I talk to a group of people. Third person, we have he, used with males, she, used with females, it, used with objects or animals, and they are all singulars. They is the plural form of he, she, it. We use with plurals. Now let's jump to some examples. Notice the pronouns which are colored with blue are singular, and pronouns which are colored with purple are plural. Alright, I speak English. So I'm talking about myself, I speak English. We are Moroccan. This is plural. You go to school regularly. I'm talking to one person. You are my friends. So I'm talking to a group of people. He is my father, and because father is a male, we use he. She is my sister, and sister is a female, and we use she. It is a cat. It is a cat. So a cat is an animal, and we refer to it with it. They sleep early, and they is a plural for a group of people who sleep early. Notice here that all the subject pronouns comes at the beginning of the sentence. So we always start a sentence with subject pronouns. Okay, now let's jump to present simple. Okay, now we will start present simple. Notice here we have two main verbs that we always use with present simple. We have do and does. And each single verb of these has a different combination of subject pronouns. Let's start with do. So do, we always use do with I, you, we, and they. These are the pronouns that we use with the verb do. Does, we use it with third singular pronoun, which is he, she, it, or the name that replace them. Like Ali is a male noun and it's singular. Sarah, female noun, singular. And dog, which is an animal, and car, object, and they are singular. Okay, we have a note here. Do and does don't appear in affirmative form. They only appear in negative and interrogative form. You might ask me, what is affirmative and negative and interrogative? And this is what we will learn. So present simple forms. We have three forms for present simple. We have affirmative, negative, and interrogative. We have three forms for the simple present or present simple form. Let's start with the structure of the affirmative. How to build a sentence. We start always with the subject and verb plus the complement. Here s, we add s to the verb when we have a third singular pronoun like he, she, and it. Examples. We learn English. We is the subject, learn is a verb, English is the complement. Next we have she, and notice she is a third singular pronoun. She loves, we add s because we have she, and this is affirmative form. She loves ice cream. She loves ice cream. So these couple of examples, we use them with affirmative. Negative form. To build the negative form, we have to add not, does, or do based on the subject that we have. Subject, do, does, not, and a verb. And we do not add as because we have do and does. Examples: I do not swim. I can say I do not swim or I don't swim. Good. It does not fly. Because we have it, we use does. It does not fly or it doesn't fly. So this is the negative form. Subject, does or do, not, and the verb. Interrogative. We always start with the verb do or does in the interrogative form when we ask a question. Do, does, plus subject, plus verb, complement, and the question mark. We always finish the interrogative sentence with a question mark. Examples: do they eat burger? And the question mark. Do they eat burger? And we add or ask question with do because we have they. Does he drive a car? Question mark. Does, it's a verb we start the sentence with to ask a question, and we used it because we have he. Does he drive a car? A question mark. Okay, now you might wonder when to use present simple or what is the use of present simple. Actually, we have two usages that we will learn today. We have a repeated action, which is habits or routines, and we have a timeline here. The timeline indicates when to use or what is repeated action. Do we use it in the past, present, or the future? Here you have all the time. That means repeated action. You did it in the past, you are doing it in the future, in the present, sorry, and you will do it in the future. This is a routine or habit. Let's jump to examples, and we have three types of examples: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. I play tennis. This is affirmative, and that means I play tennis regularly, usually, or always. Maybe twice a week, once a week, or every day. The train does not leave at 9 a.m. This is negative, and we use does not because the train is an object and a singular. Do you go to school every day? So this is a repeated action. Do you go to school every day? We asked with do, and the verb is infinitive. The second one, which is fact or permanent status, something that we always know. And the timeline is from the past to the future. It doesn't change. Three examples, same as usual. Cats like milk. Cats like milk. This is a fact, permanent status. It doesn't change. California is not in the United Kingdom. So California, we all know that California is a state in the United States of America. It's not in the United Kingdom, which is Great Britain. So this is a fact in negative form. Windows are not made of wood. Windows are made of glass. So windows are not made of wood. This is a negative one, or a negative sentence refers to facts. Okay, now you will have some exercises, and I want you to do it. I hope you understand the lesson and enjoyed the explanation. I'm looking forward to see you next time. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.